Often we want to model the lifetime of the machine. So how long does a refrigerator last, a car battery last? Usually it's basically a month longer than the warranty, I guess. I don't know. And we need a random variable to model the lifetime for basically how long a machine lasts. We can use this to calculate warranty costs, etc. And what statisticians often use is the WEIBULL random variable. So it's a continuous random variable. And basically it has two parameters, alpha and beta, which we'll show you how to estimate using the Excel solver. And basically, we just talked about the exponential random variable that had a constant failure rate. In other words, if it had been 15 minutes or half an hour since the last arrival, the chance of an arrival in the next minute was basically the same. Well, the WEIBULL random variable can have an increasing failure rate, which means the longer the machine has lasted, the more likely it is to fail in the next minute, or a decreasing failure rate, which means the longer the machine has lasted, the less likely it is to fail in the next minute. And here are some examples of WEIBULL density. So it can have various numbers of various types of shapes. Okay, so let's suppose we have 7 machines. We've observed how long they lasted, 8.5 days, let's say 12.5 days, etc. And so we take the mean and standard deviation, and then basically I've written a solver model that all you have to do is run solver. It'll find the alphas and betas. You don't have to worry too much about that. Okay, so in this case, the alpha is 2.75 and the beta is 21. So we can answer questions like, what's the probability the machine will last greater than or equal to 20 hours? Well, we use this WEIBULL.DIST function, which gives, again, the chance. All DIST functions give a probability of less than or equal to, so the chance it'll last less than or equal to X hours given the alpha and beta and the true means cumulative. So chance it'll last, if we wanted less than or equal to 20 hours, we'd put a 20, and I've named the range alpha, beta, true, and that would be 58%, and more than 20 hours would be just 1 minus that. The chance it would last between 15 and 30 hours, that's a little harder. Take the chance it'll last less than or equal to 30 hours and take away the chance less than or equal to 15 hours. So there's less than or equal to 30 hours. And then take away the chance it'll last less than or equal to 15 hours. Okay, and we get about 60% there. And so you do a lot of calculations with the WEIBULL. So like, if you have to pay a warranty of this machine, okay, I guess we said hours instead of days here. Okay, if the machine didn't last 20 hours, what's the chance you have to pay basically for a warranty because it broke down early? Okay, the chance it would last less than or equal to 20 hours would be 58%. So on 58% of your machines, you'd have to pay a warranty cost. So you can use engineers can use the WEIBULL to figure out basically what's the right warranty time to trade off how happy you make the customer versus the cost of satisfying them.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.